yakapotika inside my spirit. I can't even find the words. Everything feels so heavy. Diri kudarunyararo, asimisozi iri kuyerera. Every night I whisper hope through my shaking hands. I don't have perfect sentences, just pain in my voice, but I still call your name even when I feel lost. Zrandino nyengetera zvina order, hazvina structure. Still I believe you listen even in my fracture. When I fall apart you don't walk away. Even my silence is something to say. Inzwine wide, the sound of broken prayer. Diri kudanitsira from everywhere. Even my tears are speaking to you. And I believe you pull me through. The sound of broken prayer, you still hear me there. Even when I don't know what to say. Dichiri kushevedzera your name today. I try to pray it perfect, but it came all this pain. Words scattered like raindrops falling in the rain. But somehow heaven still leans in my direction, turning my brokenness into protection. I thought I had to be strong to reach the sky, but you met me in my lowest when I couldn't try. Now I understand what